Hi students, in my last concept I already discussed the basic needs of total internal reflection. What is total internal reflection? If the light travels from denser medium to rarer medium beyond the critical angle, it never enter into the rarer, again enter into the denser. This phenomena is called total internal reflection. In this module, we are going to discuss about applications of total internal reflection. The first applications are formation of mirage, twinkling of the stars, brilliance of diamond, looming, optical fiber cables. Simply they are called OFCE. Optical fiber cables. Mirage, twinkling of stars, brilliance of diamond, looming, optical fiber cables. These are all various examples of applications of total internal reflection. Let us discuss one by one. First one, formation of mirage, that we are going to discuss. To know the concept of the mirage, first of all, we should know that is earth radiation. Concept of earth radiation is required for us. If we consider sun is a bountiful source of energy, more amount of the sunlight is received by the earth through the atmosphere, which is extended up to 1000 kilometers. When sunlight falls on the earth's surface, maximum part of the sunlight is absorbed by the atmosphere. Approximately 45 to 50% of the sunlight directly absorbed by the atmosphere. Around 20 to 25% of the sunlight is reached by the earth's surface. Now, in this case, the crust, which is the outer part of the earth, absorb the sun heat directly. After absorbing, it will store some amount of the energy, and again some amount of the energy will be radiated. That radiated energy by the earth is called earth radiation. That means earth's crust is absorbing some amount of the energy that is coming from the sun. After absorbing, it will store some amount of energy. If the stored energy becomes excess, then it will start emitting the light, that is heat energy, again into the atmosphere. This process is called earth radiation, or also called as albedo. That means because of earth's radiation process, here if you observe, if you consider this is the earth surface very near, because of the heat released by the earth, that is nothing but because of earth radiation, air molecules nearer to the earth surface, air molecules which present nearer to the earth surface absorb the heat energy and becomes less in density. Means by lowering the density, these are all the molecules try to move towards the upper layers. That means, as in this case, in higher altitudes, more amount of the molecules are created. This means here density will be more. More density will be there. Here, because of the earth radiation, the air molecules which present nearer to the earth's crust moves into the upper layers. This means earth by itself divided into different layers of different densities. We know that as the density changes, refractive index also changes. Here, less density, less refractive index. More density, more refractive index. More refractive index. This means this region which is at the higher altitudes from the earth crust, the region of atmosphere which is at the higher altitudes towards the earth crust, because of more refractive index, it acts as a denser medium. The region of atmosphere which is very nearer to the earth's crust, that is nothing but earth's surface, because of less density and because of less refractive index, it acts as a rarer medium. Because of earth radiation, earth's atmosphere by itself, it is converted into different optically denser and rarer media. As you move towards the upper altitudes, temperature decreases, refractive index increases. As nearer to the earth's surface, temperature is more, refractive index is less. That means refractive index of a material medium and the temperature, both of them are inversely proportional. Upper layers of the Earth's atmosphere act as a denser medium when compared to the atmospheric layers very nearer to the Earth's surface. This means Earth by itself on a hot day, Earth by itself divided into different rarer and denser media. Yeah, already till now we come to know that because of the Earth's albedo, Earth atmosphere very closer to the surface of the Earth, it acts as a rarer medium. As at the higher altitude, it acts as a denser medium. That means as the temperature changes, refractive index also changes. As the optical density changes, refractive index also changes. Now if you consider at the topper layers from the sky or otherwise from the top of the surface of a tree, some light is started in the form of a straight line. This point is considered to be normal. Now light is traveling through denser to rarer. Without traveling in straight line, as per our knowledge, it undergo the process of refraction. That to be more than critical angle it will travel, then it will take a curved path. Once again, if you consider this point, once again it will take a curved path, once again it will take a curved path, then it will reach as the eye of observer. Observe here, the light is traveled in the form of straight line. Beyond the critical angle, light taking a curved path. Without traveling in a straight line, light is traveling in the form of a curved path because of total internal reflection. Now, if the observer is observed, it is appear to be reflection of either sky or otherwise tree. It is appear to be reflection of either sky or otherwise tree. Now it is appear to be like this. It is just a reflection only because of total internal reflection. For that sake only we can say mirage is an optical illusion which works on total internal reflection. the light ray which is coming from the topper layers of the sky or otherwise the topper layers of a tree undergo multiple refractions, that to be total internal reflection. It is undergo the process of curve, but it is appear to be works as a reflection on the road. Now, if you observe at that particular point, it is appear to be swaying. It is appear to be swaying, that is appear to be floating like a water at a particular distance on the tar road on a hot day. This optical illusion only we are calling as a mirage. The second example for the applications of total internal reflection is brilliance of diamond, what I already given in the textbook. We already come to know refractive index of a material medium depends on nature of the material medium, critical angle, speed of the light in that given medium, temperature. As the material changes, refractive index also changes, because we already come to know in the case of glass slab activity or till now the concept of refractive index, from material to material, speed of the light changes. Now itself in the case of Earth's radiation or otherwise in the case of albedo, temperature of the Earth changes. As the temperature changes, refractive index also changes. Temperature is more, refractive index is less. Temperature is less, refractive index is more. Same principles we can apply in the case of brilliance of diamond. We already know that in diamond we can have more amounts of the cuts. Each cut is called carat. Whenever the light enter into that a particular angle more than the critical angle, the critical angle of the diamond is very less, that is 24.4 degrees. Critical angle of the diamond material is less, that is 24.4 degrees. Refractive index is two highest, 2.41. Because of these two properties, diamond will brilliantly flickers, means there is a great flickeriness of the diamond. For example, we have a glass piece. We cut the glass piece as it is in the shape of diamond. Though it is there in the shape of diamond, it does not flicker, means it does not shine like a diamond, because of nature of the material medium is changing, critical angle is different, so speed of the light in the piece is also different. We comes to know that because of highest refractive index, the material medium of the diamond is different. So that only there is a proverb is that diamond is always diamond. So there is a difference is there because of the diamond sum and as well as the other materials, because the refractive index and as well as critical angle and as well as nature of the material medium. Let us discuss twinkling of the stars. Of course, on a full moon day, observing the stars by lying down outside of our house is a greatest and very interesting phenomena to many members. Here, generally many members will think that stars always twinkle. Of course, planets and stars are always satellite communication bodies, means they are present in the space. There are always some celestial bodies only. But why only stars are twinkling? Why the planets are not appear to be twinkle? For that purpose, we should apply these conditions. Stars are very at far distance from the atmosphere where compared to the planets. Of course, planets are a little bit near to the Earth's surface. So, lot amount of the reflected light will be reached to the observer from the surface of a planet, whereas well as from a star, feeble light, feeble means very small amount of the light only received by the observer from a far distance star. Why? Because the stars are at two longer distances. They are at a distance of more than some light years distance. Because of the feeble light that enter into the topper layers of the Earth's atmosphere, the topper layers of the Earth's atmosphere act as a denser when compared to the nearer layers because of Earth radiation or otherwise albedo, once we already explained previously. Now, whenever the light enter into the topper layers, in the rectilinear propagation of the light, as we already explained, it is undergo a curved path and reached by the observer. If you draw an imaginary line, it is appear to be curved. But we already know that Earth is rotating by itself. Because of the Earth rotation, our position also changes. Then automatically the position of the star also appear to be changed. Originally the position of the star does not change, but because of Earth's rotation, it appear to be changed. Whenever the position of the Earth rotation changes, the position of the star also changes. Because of this illusion purpose, it is appear to be twinkle. It is appear to be changed in its place and as well as position. That is nothing but the explanation for the twinkling of the stars. Here we should understand, feeble light is released, feeble light is received by the observer because of longer distance of the star, and at the same time because of rotation of the Earth, it is appear to be twinkle. Originally the stars are not twinkle like in the case of planets. The difference is the planets are very close to us, whereas well as stars are very far distance from us. That is nothing but from the Earth's surface. One more example for total internal reflection is OFC, stands for optical fiber cables. After the discovery of optical fiber cables, the total world is shrunk into a nano space. For example, we are using high speed net in the case of 24 hours channels. Some of the channels are working. News channels also there, minute to minute they will give the live. Somewhere else in the space, that is in the any corner of the world, wherever you sit, simply within a span we are going to get the messages through some other technical concepts, that is nothing but WhatsApp, Skype. Nowadays we are using many such kind of the concepts. How they are working, those are all the working processes. Means this high speed net, satellite communications. If you go towards a doctor, that is endoscopic person, that doctor will send a light pipe into the intestines, means into the mouth. Then they will observe some of the wounds or otherwise some of the abnormal parts in the intestines. One end is connected to the light pipe and that is connected to the computer. Means we are observing internal parts of our body also. These are all the concepts or these are all the devices works on optical fiber cable. Optical fiber cable. Very great importance is there for this. Let us discuss what are the parts of an optical fiber cable. If we consider this is a big cable, for the differentiation purpose I drawn in a line segments. The innermost part of an optical fiber cable is called core. This core generally act as a denser medium. Next core is cladding. This cladding act as a rarer medium. Core act as denser, cladding act as rarer. Whereas well as the third layer is outer core. This outer core generally made up of plastic or something. It protects both core and as well as cladding. Generally, core or otherwise cladding is made up of either glass or otherwise dense plastic. Now, if a light ray enter into the core, light is nothing but electromagnetic wave. If the light ray enter into the core more than the critical angle, then it is undergo the process of total internal reflection. When the light ray enter into the core beyond the critical angle, it undergo total internal reflection. Again it is bounces back, again it is bounces back, again it will be bounces back. Like this electromagnetic wave, without any loss of energy, it will travel from one place to another place with a light speed. Why? Because we used the light in the form of electromagnetic waves. Because of that much of speed, it will carry the total information from one place to another place without loss of energy. For that purpose only, optical fibers works on the concept of total internal reflection. There are various uses of the optical fiber cables are there. First is nothing but in endocrinology, that means while testing the intestines, that is whenever you went to a doctor, endoscopic person, they will introduce a light pipe into the stomach and they will observe the intestines. Here, if you observe, this is the food pipe and the food pipe introduced into the stomach. This stomach contains, the stomach entered into the duodenum. Right? Whenever a light pipe is introduced into the food pipe through the mouth, this is nothing but light pipe, and the light pipe contains optical fiber cable. Second end of the light pipe is connected to the computer. Now we can observe the internal parts of the. Then the total picture of the intestines we are going to get. Even in the case of small intestine also we can observe such kind of the things. This is one of the best use, and another use is high speed internet and as well as satellite communications. Nowadays we are using 4G, 5G, even 7G also we are utilizing. High speed net 2 Mbps, 5 Mbps, 10 Mbps, minutes bytes per second, millibytes or otherwise megabytes per second, Mbps, megabytes per second. Means we are transferring huge amount of the data in a small interval of time. Around 2000 signals will be transferred in 1 second. One more use is cable TV. We are using many number of TVs, TV1, TV2, TV100, Discovery channels like that. These are all works on the concept of total internal reflection, that is nothing but optical cable. Lightning and decoration purpose. For lightning cases, we are using lasers, works on the concept of optical fibers. In military and space applications also we are using. For the inspection of mechanical devices also we are using optical fiber cables. These are all various applications and as well as interesting concepts of nature that depends on the topic of total internal reflection.